Hello YouTube, it's Storm Super Madness here again. Welcome back to a new episode of the Honda dealership. So this is part 2, probably the last episode of Seen It. So let's start with all the dirt bikes. So this is me taking a picture. It's got a new haircut. This is a Yamaha. And I'm going to show you all the titles. Enjoy the show. So me and my uncle, Middle Kiddick or Middle Steve, he discovered that I need a 2023 Honda CRF 125 F or FB model, and I might get the standard one, the small wheel. So we'll see in a couple weeks, or in a month or two. I feel like I got a burp, like really badly. Excuse me. And we also finally hit 40 subscribers. So this is part of the video. So this is not part of the 40 subscriber special, but I'm just telling you. So don't forget to subscribe to hit 50 subscribers. Anyways, it's almost the end. The end.